Hey guys, welcome back to Matlock's Toy Room Reviews, and today I'm doing a DC Universe Green Lantern Classics figure. As you can see, I'm doing two. The final two figures in the wave, from Wave 2. They both count as figure number 6. There is Skallox and Nite-Lik. Very cool. As you can see, they each have interchangeable heads. So basically they're the same character. You can build each one. It's just Nite-Lik's head's down here, Skallox's head is here. They're just switched, you know. But very cool. On the back you get a bio for each of them. It's kind of a duo bio. A little bit of statistics. Both really new characters. The whole Red Lantern is pretty new, I believe. And all the figures in the wave, which I've reviewed everyone from this wave, and a pretty cool wave as far as I'm concerned. And you can build Stel, which is really awesome. In this set, both of these, you get the right leg of Stel with each one, so I'll have an extra right leg. And these are made by Mattel in 2011. So let's take a quick break, and we'll get these guys out of the package. Alright guys, and we are back with Skallox and Nite-Lik. First off, the final piece for Stel, which is the right leg. Very awesome. I'll be reviewing him tomorrow. See, I got two. If anybody's in need of one, hit me up. Maybe we can work something out. Anyways, of course, you see I got both figures. So in doing so, I also have extra heads. Of course, you can see this is the same head that is on Skallox. It just came packaged with Nite-Lik. Very cool. So you have the extra head and hands as well. And then come packaged with Skallox is the extra hands for Nite-Lik and the extra head and kind of chest piece. Which is pretty neat because you could actually probably do some pretty cool stuff with this. You know, pretty nice that they added all these extra pieces in there. So very cool. But anyways, on to the figures. Let's start off with Skallox. So basically these are the exact same figure. You know, they're going to be the base body, just with different hands and different heads. So you can see here, got a pretty basic costume. He's got the really cool Red Lantern costume. And he does have this crazy metallic red belt that goes around. Very cool. Red boots, which are actually sculpted around the top, which is kind of cool. It gives him more of a boot look, I think. It's pretty cool. Very nice. He's got his Red Lantern ring right there. Very cool. They actually sculpted his hands really nice. He's got the 3 fingers and crazy long black fingernail. Awesome. And a really cool, like, cattle skull looking head. It's very nice. Got like the wide eyes, gives it that evil look. Very cool. And the horns, which are kind of bendy. Which is kind of nice to be harder to break that way. Very cool. I'll go ahead and do articulation before I show you Nite-Lik. But articulation is going to be the same. Swivel in the head, not too much up and down. Ball jointed shoulder, ball joint at the, or swivel at the upper bicep, single jointed elbow, swivel at the wrist. Up and down torso joint, swivel at the waist, in and out at the hips, back and forward, swivel at the thigh, single jointed knee, and a back and forward pivot at the foot. That's very nice. That's standard, but definitely works. On to Nite-Lik. Show some detail on him. They did a couple cool things with him. If you saw the extra pieces, he has the regular body, and you just pop this over it, so it gives it that crazy thing underneath his head. It's pretty awesome. Try to show that off a little bit. I just wanted to show you the extra one that I had. It goes around his whole shoulder area. Very cool, metallic red. Let's get the logo on there. Very cool. As you can see, he has these really cool things that come out of the back of his head. First off, show a detail on the face. Head sculpt on this guy is just awesome. They did a sick job with these. Very cool looking character. But he has these crazy things that come out of his head, and they wrap around. You see they got like bones and stuff on them, skulls and everything. It's very cool. So kind of Predator-like, you know, how the Predator kind of collects bones and stuff from his prey. Very awesome. And then the hands. Hands are really cool. Got the crazy 2 big fingers in the middle, and then 2 little ones. And this crazy thing that comes out from the middle. That's this crazy tip. Kind of looks like a tongue. It's got a really nice transition of color too. It goes black to red, which looks pretty cool. So just very awesome. Definitely 2 badass looking figures right here. And I'm glad they gave us all the extra pieces. You know, I'd like to do something with these extra heads that I have. Maybe put them on a Green Lantern body or something. Just do some different stuff like that. But very awesome. Definitely 2 to pick up. I'd recommend both of these guys. But you know, definitely you only have to pick up one of them if you want to build Stel. So take your pick. But anyways, that was Skallox and Nite-Lik. Thanks for checking them out, guys.